Nurses are pretty grown. To put a grip on the wrist while they place the injection in, they don't seem to care about how they inject you with that injection in it kind of leaves like your arm had a couple of jabs and doesn't really feel right that instead of being cool and like comfortable with all the medication, like when you get home, like for like a couple of days, like 3 to 4 days or 5 days, even a week, even like maybe 2 weeks, your arm would actually have this painful muscles, like there were several couple people who jabbed did some jabs on your arm. Yeah, and I know that if there was some capitalism around, there's also another group of people, like the medication, like the nurses, who act like they're nurses, but they're actually hate you for something like they're holding you and keeping you captive, like so that they can make you think that you are a prisoner or something. And that's the situation where other elders, like in the homes, hospital homes, like the elder people that you see on the internet, they get abused by these nurses too. And for some reason, if I get injected, like once in a while I get therapy, I only need to get therapy only to get some support for my, like, to get some mental support, and instead they're giving me some pressure on my physical health, and not really physical health, they're putting a warning against my mental health as well, like placing a grip that's so tight, like, yeah. These people really hate you, like, they're acting like nurses, like, you probably been placed there by some group of people who places to stop in mall, and places to go to, but places that you can go to buy the stuff that you want to buy. And these nurses have been given that command to give you pressure, like in a ninja way, like if you're with someone, like for example you were with your mother in the hospital to get that injection, your mom will not see it, but you will feel it. I know. Well, for now I don't care, but something right will happen soon. Or probably it already happened. I don't care, man. I don't care. Okay. So I guess I'll go to the mall right now. I'm very tired. Let me take a shower. Yeah. Okay, bro. See you.
Babe, video call.
What is this? What video call?
Video call. Just press the video so I can see your face.
Okay, Jordan.
I already went to the mall.
Did you get something? Did Did you buy something?
Yeah, I already bought something at the comic book shop. Thanos poster print, holographic poster print. It's in my room now.
You don't have a shirt on. Are you naked?
Yeah, I'm naked. I don't have a shirt on. I'm sweating right now. I only biked to the mall. It's really hot. I just got home. Haven't had my lunch yet. I'm going to take a shower and eat something like lunch and just watch Netflix. And I didn't buy comics.
You didn't buy comics?
And
Why did you buy them? Did you buy comics?
yeah, I didn't buy comics. I bought the Thanos.
Thanos, what for? What is it?
Well, it matches the Silver Surfer Funko Pop. And I have the Lady Death statue too. Her figurine.
I really like Lady Comics and comic book man. What are you gonna do right now?
Yeah, I'll just stay home right now. Like, I'm gonna have to wait for my next allowance so I can buy some heats or cigarettes, and I guess I'm gonna rest from the comic book shop right now. I'll go back next week or something, buy something.
Can you give me a summary of the comic book?
I'm gonna call you later because I want to take a shower now.
Call me later.
Okay, love you, babe.
Love you.
Ano, Adventus. Magbabayad ka ba o hindi? Sasapakin kita pag hindi ka magbabayad eh. Titingtingin namin lahat ng mga ginagawa mo at saka lahat ng tungkol sa'yo. Para malaman namin kung magbabayad ka o hindi. Hindi sasapakin talaga kita eh. Pupuntahan ka namin dyan. Kung saan ka mo magpupunta lang namin. Kaya magbabayad ka dapat. Tutugasin namin. Tutugasin ka namin. Ganun lang kasimple yun. Maghanap ka ng trabaho. Tapos magbayad ka na. Eh wala akong trabaho ngayon. Kailangan ko ng pera. Ano? Wala kang gagawin kalukuhan na yan. Basta gawin mo lang yung dapat mong gawin. Magbayad ka. Dennis? Okay. Oo nga ba? Bating nga si Jason. Bating nga yun. Oo, kilala ko yun. Bating nga yun. Humimpo-himpo nga yun. Humimpo-himpo sa parang sa parang hindi ko, yung magkataliban. Lulod kami hindi. Bating nga yun. Kala mo lang bating yun, kala mo lang yung parasta-rasta, yung pabanda-banda. Kasi totoo bating yun. Oo nga, pero sota nga siya ng buntod ko, pero bating nga yun. Totoong bating yun, bata. Totoong bating nga yun. Hindi yung bating na gano'n, yung bating talaga yung bating. Yung bating na, yung bating talaga, yung totoong bating. Yung gusto maging babae, iba dati nga lang yun, kaso ganun talaga, bating talaga yun, hindi talaga, din talaga siya, pero bating talaga yun. Ngayon, puro tayo libaban to. Yung mga kailangan mong gawin. Kailangan kayo rin. Basta sige. Sige doon. Nagawa ko nga makuha yung frame guard na makapagpabagong pagpapatakbo ng oras natin. Ganun talaga kalakas yun. Yung lakas talaga yung pwersa ng frame guard. Kasi ganun, lalakas tayo. Nagagawa na ito, napapalakas na yung intention natin. Ano ko ako kahapon? Nandito na. Dito, nakapwesto na siya. Kung saan siya dapat na ipwesto. Ganun nga yung strength. Ganun nga yung strength nga yun talaga. Ayos. Mangyari. Gawin. Computer. System loading. Say the password. 231. Self-image computer. Password correct. Nakuha natin yung kailangan na pinwesto ng gobyerno. Tayo nakakalam ng sekreto ng strength na yun, nagagawa ng frame guard. Ayan, may mga kailangan pa natin tayong kunin na nilagay natin sa data. Search says it is clear. Kung ganun, time continuum cease to charges. Ano yung eksaktong oras natin sa precise time and day natin na makukuha yan? Conducted approximately 2 weeks, Friday, midday. Okay. So, ikaw naman ang nagsasabi niya na ikaw ay ako. Tayo yung gagawa nun. Kaya alam mo yung gagawin. Late morning until early afternoon. Sakto na yung oras na yun, diba? There may be a risk for getting both charges. Sa pagsusulit mo ngayon, kailangan pa ba natin kunin yun o huwag na natin kunin? I'm continuing deserves it. So kukunin pa natin. These requirements for what we need to allow us. Ayos. So, pagbalik ko dito, kung may magbabago man, sabihin mo sa akin para hindi na natin kukunin. Pero kukunin natin, sabi mo, di ba? Can you prepare for hacker? Okay. Pwede na yun. Profession guaranteed. Sige. Confirm. Save mo na yan. Save mo na itong data natin. Save completes in 50 seconds.
Street.
Hero.
Basta, anyway, itong mukhang elf. Pagkala akong suot ng earrings.
We're okay here. Are you doing anything right now?
Ito lang sa bahay. Saan mo kayo babalik?
We're not done with all this cleaning yet.
Si Dad, kumusta mo?
He's good. He's really enjoying our vacation. He's doing fine.
Oh, okay. Sige na, bye-bye. Love you. Computer, analyze the information after this.
After this, our whole treatment, then there's something special.
And all this